Money has different names. In temple or church, it's called donation. In school, it's fee. In marriage, it's called dowry. In divorce, alimony. When you owe someone, it's debt. When you pay the government, it's tax. In court, it's fines. Civil servant retirees, it's pension. Employer to workers, it's salary. Master to subordinates, it's wages. To children, it's allowance. When you borrow from bank, it's loan. When you offer after a good service, it's tip. To kidnappers, it's ransom. Illegally received in the name of service, it's bribe. Keep watching Miss English.